What is cryptocurrency mining and how does it work? Cryptocurrency mining is one of the key elements that allow cryptocurrencies to work as a peer-to-peer decentralized networks without the need for a third-party central regulatory authority. These currencies use blockchain technology to operate in a completely decentralized system in order to keep a record of all of the transactions, and also to introduce new coins into the existing supply of the current circulation. How does it work? First of all, let us look at a normal transaction. A buys groceries from B's superstore, worth $20. A makes the payment through his debit card. As soon as A swipes his card, a message is sent to the bank which says A, which has an account in your bank, wants to buy groceries worth $20, and that money needs to go to B's bank account. So the bank checks if A's account has $20 in his account and then approves the transaction. Then B's bank adds $20 to his record, and A's bank subtracts $20 from his record. Looking at this example in the crypto world, now, instead of a bank dealing with this transaction, it goes on a public record where a bunch of computers is keeping track of every single transaction of every single person. These computers are known to be mining. If A does not have $20 worth of coins to pay B, the computers will reject his transaction. If A does have the amount in his crypto wallet, the transaction would then be approved and B would have $20 worth of coins. This would be added into the public record of transactions, known as the block, and after every 10 minutes, the newest block of transaction is added to the list of existing blocks or chained, known as the blockchain. In order to ensure the authenticity of each block in the chain, a subset of the coin's network joins the race to solve an extremely difficult math puzzle. The computer which solves the puzzle first, their record of the block of transactions becomes the official record. They are rewarded with coins of their own, along with the network getting a new block on the chain. This entire process is known as mining, but instead of getting coals out of an underground tunnel, a computer is solving difficult math puzzles. As so many computers are in the race to verify a block, this ensures that no one can manipulate the market. In order for fair competition and rewards, the puzzle becomes increasingly difficult as more computers join in. What are the risks and opportunities related to mining? Stay tuned to find out. You might have heard your friends talking about making a mining rig or about the soaring prices of GPUs in the market. All this is because of the hype created around mining. But is mining only hype, or does it have actual benefits as well? Some of the benefits of mining include: we do not have to rely on the bank for using and transferring our money. We can use it as we want and when we want. There is no hefty transaction fee on big transactions. P2P transfer is easy and efficient. Your digital assets are protected from inflation. However, before starting to mine, be sure to do proper research on your end, as this is a tricky process, and not having proper knowledge of it could be a little detrimental for you. Thank you for staying with us till this moment. Now, lastly, we would like to tell you about some of the cryptocurrencies which are using blockchain technology. 1. Bitcoin. 2. Ethereum. 3. Ravencoin. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your friends so that they can also stay updated with the latest trends with crypto. If you have any comments or suggestions, please let us know below.